Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's a little bit different because it involves cleaning. Yes, I hate cleaning. I think I'm not the most cleanliest of people. I'm not awful, but I like to cut corners. And so I really think you're gonna enjoy this video if you're at all like me. I'll be sharing 10 of my tidy home habits that I really think will change your life. I think you should write some of these down if you like them. I think you should put some sticky notes around your house to do some of these little tips and tricks and habits. And I really think that you will become more organized, make yourself feel more productive, and you'll walk around your home and feel like it is more clean. So let's get started. I'm sorry. I really try never to do this because I know it's kind of annoying, but I've been getting an insane amount of questions about my lip color lately, and I keep going back to this. It is this lip liner. So I will link it down below. I'm sorry, a lot of you probably didn't care about that, but it's by Urban Decay. I'll link it below along with the shade color. So I'm gonna be going over 10 of my tidy home habits, like I said. I'm just gonna say 2 that are like honorable mentions. This is not included in my 10 habits because I've mentioned them repeatedly in my videos and like my productivity hack videos. First, make your bed when you get up. I half the time don't listen to myself, but you should do it because it does make you more productive throughout the day. And then my other honorable mention is the 10-minute tidy. It's the best tip in the whole world. Just set a timer for 10 minutes, clean as fast as you possibly can in that 10 minutes. That's a 10-minute tidy. Do it. Okay, so my number 1 tip. Actually, this isn't necessarily my number 1. These are all really good. It's not really in any specific order. So just keep watching because they might get better. The first tip is only for people that have stairs or steps in their home. If you do, you must do this. You must buy like a cute little like bin or basket and have one at the top and the bottom of your stairs. And then anytime you see clutter or something that doesn't belong on that floor, you just toss it in that bin at the top or bottom of your steps. And that way, when you go up the stairs, maybe an hour later or later on in the afternoon, whatever, you just bring that bin with you and everything can just then go back to its spot. And it's so much more time saving. It's life changing. Number 2, this might take you a little while to like start doing, but once you like lock it in your brain and you start doing it, every time you leave a room, life will be it'll be changed. So what you do is when you get up, like say like I'm gonna get off the couch right here and I'm gonna go into the kitchen, right? Well, guess what I see? I see a kid's cup across the room. I'm gonna grab that cup. So basically I never leave a room empty-handed. That's the key. Never leave a room empty-handed. You always wanna scan the room and grab whatever doesn't belong and take it with you and then put it back. Oh, this next one, guys. Clean the shower when you're already in it. Clean the shower when you're already in it. Oh my gosh, it's like the best little life hack because it's so annoying to clean your shower. It hurts your back. You have to like reach it. Just do it when you're already wet. There's already soap flying and suds bubbling. Like it's the perfect time. Just keep a little scrubby thing in there, wipe it down. It's like you didn't even really do it, but you did. This one is kind of like a mind trick, like a mind game. Sometimes when I feel like my house is a disaster, it's really only the kitchen that is a disaster. I don't know what it is. I know I'm not the only one, but if you wanna make your house feel cleaner, the first step you should do is clean off the kitchen table. And then if you wanna really go crazy, just clean up the whole kitchen, make it look really nice, and I'm telling you, the rest of the house will feel cleaner, even if it's not. Just try that. The next thing that you should do for a tidier home is designate a donations bin. So get a box, a bin, a basket, you can label it. Mine says donations. I have a special spot for it in my house. I told my family members about it. Do they contribute much? Not really, but that's okay. I do, and that leads me to my next point. Okay, so there's options with this next habit. So pick one or the other, or whatever works best for your lifestyle. But I recommend trying to get rid of one thing every day, or walk around your house maybe once a week. Like you could take this around your house once a week, or maybe even a big trash bag and fill up things like to donate once a week, or like I said, even just getting rid of one item every single day will drastically reduce the clutter and improve the tidiness of your home. There are so many things around your house, I promise you, that you look at every day, but you really don't care if you have, or you really don't even want. So, you know, having a donations bin is extremely helpful, but it's more just getting into the habit of doing something daily or even weekly. And I try to do it the night before my trash goes, not because I want to trash things, like I really do try and donate everything, but it's just one of those mental reminders. Okay, so for the next tidy home habit or trick or tip or whatever, it actually involves your home decor. So if you go on Pinterest or you go on HGTV and you look at these beautiful homes that you're like, oh my gosh, I want my house to look like that, just take another look at it, because more often than not, that home decor is so simplistic and not cluttery. There's really not that much home decor. I feel like we go shopping and we want to like order things. We're like, oh, this would look so good, and we like add to it, but we really never take away. So that's my suggestion. Go around and actually remove some of your home decor. Make it look more simple. And in doing so, your house will feel and look tidier and cleaner. Okay, so this next one, it's kind of a doozy, but it'll make a difference. So, how many of you out there have a chair in your bedroom? Yeah, me too. I have a chair in my bedroom, and guess what I do? I throw stuff on it. I throw clothes on it. I throw a hairbrush. I throw shoes. Like, I literally put so much on the chair because it's like this enabling thing. It's like I can't put it on the floor. I'll put it on the chair. And then things stack up. It's just not good. So what do? Remove the chair. I didn't do that yet either, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove the chair because it will force me to go put things away, and I will lead a tidier life. So this next one, you may agree with me, you may not agree with me. It involves laundry. Side note, I personally think it's best just to do like one load of laundry a day, or maybe every other day, just to stay on top of it. It just seems way better than just having like a nightmare of laundry all day long. That just seems crazy, but that's not even what I really want to talk about. What I want to talk about is re-wearing clothes, not washing clothes as much as so many people do. Like if you throw on a shirt just to go out to eat and then you come back home, I don't think it's dirty. I would take that off and I would hang it back up. Yeah, that's what I would do. You do you, that's fine. I'm just saying I severely cut back on my laundry loads just by re-wearing clothes because they're not that dirty. Maybe I just exposed myself, it's okay. So this next tip, I really think once you start doing it, you won't ever go back. It's just, you just have to get into the habit of doing it. And it's basically just anytime you have like this little time frame that you're waiting around, like maybe you're waiting for the microwave to be done. Maybe you're waiting for that toaster to pop up with your delicious toast. Maybe you're waiting for your kids to tie their shoes. Maybe you're waiting for your curling iron to heat up. Maybe if you're waiting on a commercial break. Like there's so many little like tiny time frames that we just usually stand around and just wait. But no, tidy up as fast as you possibly can in that tiny time frame. You get a lot more done than you realize. It's kind of like the 10-minute tidy, only even shorter. It's like even shorter. Just do that. Just try to remember to do that. Again, once you get into the habit, you won't go back. So I feel like that is kind of the gist of this entire video. Tiny little changes add up to big things, big differences in your home and your life and your family and all the things. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.